A photon of energy E ejects photoelectrons from metal surface whose work function is omega 0, and if this electron enters into uniform magnetic field of induction B in a direction perpendicular to field and it describes a circular path of radius r, then that radius r is given by which formula? So, see here, what is the kinetic energy of ejected electron? Kinetic energy of ejected electron according to Einstein's photoelectric equation, kinetic energy is equal to h nu minus of omega 0, where h nu it represent energy of photon. H nu is what? It is energy of photon, and in the present problem energy of photon is given as E. It is given as what? E. Therefore, kinetic energy of electron will becomes E minus of omega 0. But we know kinetic energy of electron, it can be done as what? Kinetic energy is equal to half m into v square, and that is equal to E minus of omega 0. Or we have here v square is equal to, so this 2 will be taken to this side and m will be taken in denominator. So, we had v square is equal to 2 into E minus omega 0 divided by what? M, or v is equal to, this is v square. So, what v becomes equal to? V equal to under root of what? 2 into E minus omega 0 divided by m. This is the value of v. This is what? Value of v. Now, we want to find out radius of circular path, because this electron, it enters or it will move, and it will enters in a uniform magnetic field of induction B, such that this direction of velocity and B, they are perpendicular. B is pointing say inward, and angle between V and B is 90 degree. So, when this electron enters into the region of magnetic field which is perpendicular, it starts travelling along a circular path of radius. What is the radius of circular path? R. So, the necessary CPF required for circular motion is provided by force due to magnetic field. It is provided by what? Force due to magnetic field. What is the formula for centripetal force? It is mv square divided by r, and force due to magnetic field, it is q into v cross of b. But v cross b means it is vb sine of theta. Here theta is angle between v and b. What is angle between v and b? Theta is equal to 90 degree, and sine 90 is equal to 1. Therefore, centripetal force mv square divided by r is equal to qvb, and this sine of 90 is 1. So, here we are having mv square by r is equal to qvb. This v get cancelled with this v, and we are having r is equal to mv divided by qb. mv divided by qb. Now, put the value of v. So, we had radius r is equal to m divided by qb, and instead of v in the numerator, I will write this equation for v, that is under root of 2 into E minus omega 0 divided by m. Divided by what? M. So, this q means it is E. So, let us take these entire terms within the bracket. So, what we will get? It is under root of, see here, m square upon, instead of q, I can write E square, B square, E square, B square, and this is 2 into E minus of omega 0 divided by m. Divided by what? Divided by m. So, this becomes equal to m divided, or you can write m divided by EB under root of m square. M square means here m get cancelled with m. So, it is m divided by E square B square, m divided by E square B square, 2 into E minus omega 0, 2 into E minus omega 0. So this is equal to under root of 2m into e minus of omega 0, e square b square, when it is taken outside square root it becomes eb. So out of 4 option, option B is the correct option, that is under root of 2m into e minus omega 0, it is within the square bracket, whole divided by eb, whole divided by